Hey everybody, this is John with Reliable Service Company, and today I'm working on a drywall repair, the ceiling. Got some damaged drywall, a bit of cracking over here actually. To see what we've got going on to repair this and get it back up to speed. So stay tuned, I'll show you kind of my process and how we're going to go about doing this. Thanks. So here's kind of where I'm at the process. Um, There's probably several ways to do this. This is kind of how I do it. I use some 3/4 inch boards to frame out the area in order to allow the new sheetrock to go in and be super, super secure, because I can screw into these points and not have a joint that's weak. So I've done that here along the perimeter, and it gives it some additional support. It also makes it more flush from this point to the new piece because it's tied in directly. Sorry, my hands are kind of dirty, but and then I've got a small piece in here for now. So the next step is going to be to add some new sheetrock back to these areas and then start the tape and mud process. So here's where we're at with that repair. I've sheetrocked that area, taped and mudded the joints, and I use 45-minute mud, which reduces the drying time of the mud, and that reduces the amount of trips I have to take coming back and forth here. So my next step is to texture this area, and we should have things wrapped up. All right, so here's our final result. This has been patched, now textured with what they call knockdown texture. Even filled in some of these holes that were up here previous. It's ready for paint now, so when they have a chance to get the matching color, which is like an agreeable gray, can easily go over that and it'll blend in and look just like new. All in all, a nice repair. Glad to be able to help these people out in Scottsdale, and look forward to helping out on your project. Thanks.